Hello everyone, it's Lara. So today I'm going to share an update with my Child of the 80s project pan. This project is a Fantastic Ladies collab project and it was created by Ceylan. So for this project it's all about the 80s and we work on 8 products at a time, but for me I bumped it up to 10 because we're getting towards the second half of the year and I really want to get to all of the prompts by the end of the year. So that's why I bumped it up to 10. Unfortunately for this update, I was only able to meet my goal on 2 products, and I'm actually going to be decluttering a product. So the 2 that I met my goal on is for the prompt Neon, and I put in this Essie nail polish in bottle service. My goal was to use it 3 times, and I did use it 3 times. Next for Wild Thing, I completely missed the description of the prompt on this. It was supposed to be a multi-chrome or duochrome or something like that, but I just put in this eyeshadow that said Wild Child, but whatever. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I did use it 5 times, so it was this bright pink right here. And the thing I'm going to be decluttering is for jelly shoes. I put in this Tarte Jelly Glaze Lip Mask. I've used this twice and I really just don't like it. It like leaves a residue on my lips and then it gets like around my lips and I can't, and then I'm just scrubbing it to try and wash it off. And it's not worth it, so I'm just gonna throw this away. No thank you. Okay, let me share the progress I made on the rest of my products. So for Strawberry Shortcake, a fruit-themed item, I put in this Too Faced Primed in Peachy Primer. I have been using this pretty regularly. I am wearing it today, so when I put it in, it was brand new. I had never used it. And now the sides are starting to get a little dipped in. When I hold it up to the light, I can still see product at the top, but I think it's just mostly stuck to the sides. So there is use there. My goal is to finish it. Next for Weird Science, I put in this Dove Dry Conditioner. So far I'm at a total of 17 uses. I am wearing it as a styling product today. And there's a lot of product in here. Like, it still feels really full. And I'm just not the biggest fan of this, so I'll be super excited when I use that up. For Blockbuster, a discontinued item, I put in this body spray from Victoria's Secret in the blush scent. So I was up here last update and now I am down to here. So maybe just slightly less use than the last month, but we're getting there. This is not really a scent I care for. I used to work at Victoria's Secret and I got this as a gratis, so this is not a scent that I would have bought myself, but I have it. I don't hate it, so I'll just use it up. Next for Push It, I put in this Revlon eyeliner. And this is the eyeliner I've been really focusing on, so I don't have a ton left. Not sure if I could get it done by the next update, but soon. And the last 3 products I don't think I even used one time. So I have for Indiana Jones this Overland pencil. I'm pretty sure I didn't even use it. For Top Gun, an item that's a top item in a category, I picked this Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore, and my goal was to use it 10 times. I haven't touched it. And the last thing for lace, something sheer, I put in this Clinique Chubby Stick in the shade Graped Up, and I might have used it once or twice, but I can't really remember. I'm sure I probably didn't. Okay, so since I met my goal in 2 items, and then I'm also decluttering one, I'm going to roll in 3 new prompts. Okay, let's see what I get. Girls just want to have fun. Nintendo! The Lost Boys. Nice. If you notice in the background, I actually have a Nintendo all the way over there. Nintendo, Super Nintendo. So even though I have a Nintendo, I feel like Nintendo was a little slightly before my time. When I was a kid, it was more Super Nintendo, and we used to play Mario, Donkey Kong, Pac-Man. Oh, there was a racing game, Mario Andretti, Metroid. And then we had this random like ninja game, like Mystic Ninja or something, that we would play a lot. Anyway, let me pick some items for those prompts. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So for girls just want to have fun, a colorful product, I decided to bring in the Riviera Palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like this is a pretty fun, colorful palette, and my goal is to just use this 5 times. For Nintendo, something fun or addictive to play with, for me, that's this liquid lipstick from Too Faced in Sugar Cookie. I love the formula. I love the shade. It's really hard for me not to just use this every day because I love this shade so much. And for Lost Boys, a black or vampy item, I decided to go with black, and I'm bringing in this mascara from Laura Gellar. I haven't started using it yet, so this will be in here for a few months. So for next time, I don't really feel like there's going to be much done. Hopefully I can get my 5 uses on this and my 10 uses on the blush and the liquid lipstick. Everything else I think will be in for a while. So maybe a few rollouts next time. Okay, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye.